wizard. Welcome to the most epic SwiftUI animation tutorial on the internet. Prepare to make your apps dance like nobody's watching. Look, static apps are so 2010. Your users deserve apps that move, groove, and occasionally do a little shimmy. Animations are like coffee for your UI. They wake everything up. By the end of this journey, you'll be animating circles like a pro, making buttons bounce like they're on a trampoline, and your friends will think you sold your soul to Apple. Spoiler alert, you didn't. It's just SwiftUI magic. All right, let's talk about implicit animations, the lazy developer's best friend. Just slap a dot animation modifier on there and boom, you're basically a Disney animator now. SwiftUI is like that overachieving friend who does your homework. You just say, hey, animate this, and it figures out all the boring math stuff. Scale, opacity, rotation. It handles everything while you sip your coffee. One line of code, that's it. One line and your circle goes from 0 to hero. If only getting abs was this easy, am I right? Now we're getting into explicit animations, for when you want to be the control freak of your code base. With animation is like saying, hey SwiftUI, animate this and only this. Got it? Think of it like being a film director. Implicit animations are like letting the actors improvise. Explicit animations, you're yelling, cut! Do it exactly like I said. Much more satisfying, honestly. Wrap your state changes in with animation and watch the magic happen. It's like putting a bow on your code. A bouncy, animated bow. Oh baby, spring animations. This is where your UI starts doing parkour. Forget those boring straight-line movements. We're adding physics, baby. Your views are about to bounce like they've had too much espresso. 3 magic numbers control the spring. Response is how fast, damping is how bouncy, and blend is, well, it makes things smooth. Low damping equals more bounce. It's like adjusting the caffeine levels. Fun fact, Apple uses springs everywhere. Every time you open an app, dismiss a sheet, or pull to refresh, that's spring physics. Once you go spring, you never go back. Linear animations will look like PowerPoint slides from 2003. Timing curves. This is where you decide if your animation moves like a sports car or like your grandma going to Sunday brunch. Linear is boring, constant speed. But ease in out? Chef's kiss. Ease in starts slow like Monday morning, then speeds up. Ease out comes in hot and slows down gracefully. Ease in out? That's the full dramatic entrance and exit. Very Hollywood. Pro tip. Professional animators spend hours tweaking Bezier curves, but you've got presets. Work smarter, not harder. Your animations will look like $1 million, and nobody needs to know it took you 5 seconds. Keyframe animations. Now we're cooking with gas. Instead of boring A to B movement, we're doing ABCD like a choreographed dance routine. Your views are about to become backup dancers. Think of it like directing a music video. First the circle grows, then it bounces, then it does a little spin, all perfectly timed to drop the beat. This is how Pixar does it. Well, sort of. Close enough. Keyframe Animator is your new best friend. Define the moves, set the timing, and let your UI perform. Standing ovation guaranteed, or at least a polite golf clap from your users. Phase animations. Perfect for when you want something to pulse forever like a heartbeat, or breathe like yoga, or glow like that easy button from those old commercials. Remember those? No? I'm old. Create an enum with your phases, start, middle, end, whatever you want, and Phase Animator just loops through them forever. It's like a playlist on repeat, but for animations. No more messing with timers and state management. Phase Animator handles the loop automatically. You just sit back, relax, and watch your UI breathe. Very zen, much calm. So, animation. Transitions. The red carpet moment for your views. Every view deserves a dramatic entrance and a graceful exit. No more just popping in and out like a game of whack-a-mole. SwiftUI's got the classics. Slide in like you own the place. Scale up from nothing like a superhero. Fade in mysteriously like a ghost. Mix them together for maximum drama. Scale plus fade, Oscar-worthy. Create your own signature entrance. When people see that transition, they'll know it's your app. It's like having a theme song, but visual. Dun dun dun. Matched geometry effect. This is literal magic. You take two completely different views, give them the same ID, and SwiftUI morphs one into the other like a transformer. Optimus Prime would be proud. Small card, big card, same ID, boom, smooth morph. It's like those movie transitions where someone touches a photo and dives into the memory. Except you built it in like 5 lines of code. This is the secret sauce behind all those fancy App Store animations. Photo galleries that expand, cards that transform, navigation that flows. Now you have the power. Use it wisely, or don't. I'm not your dad. Gesture animations. Now your users can actually touch the animations. Drag stuff around, swipe things, poke the screen like it owes them money. This is where apps become interactive. Drag gesture plus state equals pure joy. Users drag, the view follows, they let go, spring physics kicks in. It's like playing with a yo-yo, except it's a circle and you built it. Close enough. This is the Tinder swipe, the Apple Maps zoom, the I can't stop playing with this effect. Add this to your app and watch users mindlessly swipe things for no reason. That's a win. Time to mix it all together. Combining animations is like making a smoothie. Throw in some spring, a splash of transition, a pinch of gesture, blend it up and boom, animation smoothie. Delicious for the eyes. The secret? Keep it simple, then stack it. Animate scale here, rotation there, opacity over there. Then combine them and pretend you're a genius. Works every time. And the stagger. Oh, the stagger. Delay each element just a tiny bit and watch them cascade like dominoes. It's so satisfying I could watch it all day. And I do. Don't judge me. All right, quick pro tips before you go. Don't animate blur. It's expensive and your phone will cry. Stick to transforms like scale and rotation. Your battery will thank you. Also, check that reduce motion setting. Some people get motion sick. Be a good human and respect that. Accessibility isn't optional, it's just being cool. And that's a wrap. You did it. You're officially an animation wizard. Go forth and make your apps dance, bounce, morph, and groove. And hey, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Wait, wrong platform. Just go build something awesome. Peace out.